Hey guys, Hector here. Welcome back. I had a call here, but of course, I just tried recording it right now, and for some reason it didn't record. So, actually, I have two open packages now. One is my ULA hat. Just got this in the mail the other day to add to my collection. And next one is Helinox Chair. I would always take my Thermarest Z seat. All cool, you know, very nice and comfortable. Something to sit on. But a lot of the guys that I go hiking with or do overnighters or backpacking trips, whatever, they all had these nice chairs. And I think it was like Black Friday or something. They had a really great deal on these chairs, so I figured, why not? So I figure, you know, let's check it out together. And of course the frame is aluminum. Not sure what kind of plastic. The sleeves that it goes into. All the frame is held with bungee. Super easy to set up here. Send you free tinder for fire starting. I guess we'll start with the top here. Actually, I think it'll be easier to start at the bottom because these are a lot. First time setting one of these up, so bear with me. All right. All right, you guys can still see it. Not bad. Actually a nice day to soak in some sun here. Especially since I'm feeling under the weather. Alright, so it's supposed to be a little over a pound, which is awesome because everything else I've seen is either 2 pounds, 4 pounds. So let me adjust the camera, and I got a scale here, so we'll weigh it, see if it actually does weigh what they say it does. Alright guys, here we got the scale. And what I did is I took off all that extra paper and tags. It had a rubber band on it. That's 510 grams. £1 pound, 1.8 ounces or 2 ounces. Alright guys, thanks for joining me on this one, but that's all I got for you. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next adventure.